You feel me? Because you're still Adam and Eve instead of Samuel and Lilith, right? The Baphomet, right? We got to get off the evil shit. Evil just means live. And then the spooky stuff that they're giving you is in reverse. See, they reversed the whole spectrum of this thing. You feel me? They did that on purpose to take you out of your chaos being rights, your birthright, to be able to create. So now let's think about this shit. If you had all how, the good foods, the good water that you need, right? And they didn't have liquor stores and all this stuff in the hood, right? And all of this stuff is the music, right? All of this stuff is to keep you from using your chaos magic power. You feel me? Because they want to suppress you, and they gotta do everything they can. I'm talking about everything, right? So the more you understand that these things are built by design to keep you suppressed and keep you locked down in the fear state, right? The map of consciousness, the more you understand that you have to think outside the box, right? You have to challenge yourself. There is no work without a little challenge, right? That's why you must become the spiritual worker. Because if you don't challenge yourself, all right, you know what? Let me go ahead and do this 3-day fast. Let me just try it and see what happens, right? You know what? All I'm doing this for 2 weeks is drinking water, nothing else, just water, right? That's the spiritual worker, right? Little steps like that will move you into a whole different trajectory of thought. You feel me? I remember my first 10-day fast. That shit was hard as hell, nigga. Thought I was gonna die in this bitch, right? And I was still eating at night. You feel me? And that's so now you gotta rid this stuff out of you, right? To clean out, like Bobby always says, right? So you can move into the spiritual worker. You feel me? So your house is still upside down if you're thinking you're just gonna do this thing in a conscious way, and you're gonna be binded to this box if you're not ready to make that jump. You feel me? Which is the 23 Enigma. You feel me? Because now we're going into the 7-year, and the 7-year is about you harnessing your emotions again, right? You conquering the 7 C's and understanding your emotions on a deeper level, right? Do your chakra work.